Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Alright, today, y'all, it's Friday night, y'all. You know what that is? I actually didn't have to work. I've been off all week, and y'all can see I've been in Vegas and other things, but it's about that time that I would have got home from work, so I'm keeping my body acclimated to if I was working. So anyway, I'm still going to continue my Friday night pie segment. If you've been watching the last couple of days, you know I lost one of my kind of like a mentor to me. I never met the guy, but he really helped me a lot on my YouTube channel, Chef Daddy Jack. So I'm dedicating the next few videos to him. He didn't make a lot of desserts, but he did make a pie. He do make pies. I'm gonna kind of shorten this up because he made homemade pie dough. I'm not gonna do that. Y'all know I don't do homemade pie dough, which I could, but I'm not gonna do that. So it means a waste of time when you got a lot of the cooking to do. And he did a blueberry pie on his channel one time, a few years ago. I'm not doing blueberry. I'm not a blueberry person, but I'm gonna do blackberries, which is the next best thing. Nothing but a blackberry pie. So that's what I'm doing. So anyway, let's get started. Like I say, he just mostly dumped stuff in the bowl, and that's what I'm gonna do. I am gonna put a little recipe here for y'all to kind of check out. I got a little sugar, got some vanilla flavor there. Gotta have my spices there, my cinnamon and nutmeg, got a little butter in there, and some flour. And that's it, y'all. This pie is so easy. I'm gonna mix this up, y'all, and I'm gonna set it to the side, and I'm gonna put these are frozen blackberries, y'all, too. And they still partly frozen, so yeah. So I'm gonna get them all coated up good here. And then I'm gonna put in the pie shell. We're gonna have us a big old blackberry pie. See how easy that is? This is the easiest pie you ever make, y'all. Easiest pie you ever will make. Okay. Okay. Alright. Now, I'm gonna set this to the side here. I'm gonna get my pie crust out here. This pie actually takes really 5 minutes to put together, y'all. Not even that long. About 5 minutes to put the whole thing together. Get the dough out of here. There's one. I love these Pillsbury rollout dough. It's a game changer. Whoever invented these Pillsbury, the game changer here. Okay, let me get these unrolled. Roll them out here. Should get nice and flat. There we go. Now get my pie, got my pie pan here. Put the bottom crust in here. Make sure you got it good and even in there. And I spray my pie. And then when I make double crusted pies like this, y'all, this is the only time I don't pre-bake my pie crust. This is the only time I don't do that. Okay, got them in there like that. See how easy that was? Now we're gonna go in with the filling. Fill this up really nice and evenly. There we go. The berries in there nice and evenly there. I like to make sure it's nice and even, y'all. Around in there. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna do the top crust. This out the way. Y'all see how easy this is, y'all? See how easy this is? Roll this out. Put that on there. Then I'm gonna come by and I'm gonna just crinch the side. Make sure it's good and crinched. Whatever the word is. Pinch down, crinch down. However you want to say it. Make a nice little design in there. There we go. One more. There we go. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a little egg wash here. All egg wash is egg and water. Egg and water, y'all. One egg yolk, one egg, a little water, we're going to brush it on top. We're going to simply with some sugar. And we'll be ready to go in the oven with this thing, y'all. Y'all see how easy that is coming together, huh? So easy. Let me get me a little water, put in the egg. Like I said, egg water. All it is water, about an egg and a tablespoon of water, y'all. That's it. And you get a brush and brush it, because it's going to give it that nice, pretty golden brown color. I'll brush out of here. Find it. Okay. I'm going to brush this real nicely. One of the bristles on my brush trying to come off, y'all. Time for a new brush, y'all. And my bristles start coming off. Okay. A little bit more here. So you get all the outside there. All right, now all we're gonna do now, we're gonna give us a little sugar here. Sprinkle it on top, get that nice sugary topping when it come out. And we're gonna do one more thing here. It's gonna be nice there. One more thing, we're gonna put some vents in here so my pie don't explode when it start cooking. So you're gonna put some nice vents in there. Give it some air. There we go. That's it. We're gonna put it on the pan here. Like the saying say, easiest pie. We're gonna put it in the oven, 350 degrees. Usually take about 45 minutes on this pie. Kind of watch it after 40 minutes or so, 35 minutes or so. Kind of look out on it, y'all, and see how it's coming along, because every oven is different. And then we just want it to be nice and bubbly and golden brown, and we're going to let it cool slightly. I ain't going to let it cool all the way. We're going to cool slightly enough where I can cut it. So anyway, we'll be back in about an hour, and I'm going to show you what we got. We'll be back. All right, y'all, the pie is fresh out the oven, and you can see it's still bubbling. So I'm going to let this thing sit here a couple of hours, y'all. Because you know what happens if I try to cut it right now, it's gonna go everywhere. So I'm gonna let it set up a couple of hours, and we'll come back and try it out. You can see golden brown, nice little sugar. That sugar on the egg wash does to it, and the sugar. This pie actually took an hour today. That's why I say check it out for 35-40 minutes and kind of eye it, because every pie is different. And every oven is different, and the berries was frozen when I put them in there. Of course, if the berries is not as cold, of course it won't take as long as the pie to cook. So anyway, I'll be back, y'all, in about a couple of hours here, and we'll come back and we'll try this out. I know this gonna taste like a blackberry cobbler sliced, or a blackberry skillet cobbler. It's gonna taste pretty much the same way. Ingredients are pretty much the same. It's just in a pie shape. So anyway, we'll be back in a couple hours. All right, y'all, we are back. I cut the pie. Matter of fact, I let this thing rest about 5 hours in the fridge. And this is what you get. This is what you get. Nice, listen there. Nice crust there on top. Sugary topping. And to be honest, y'all, this is better. If you warm it up a little and put some blueberry ice cream on it, I'd have put it over the top, but I cooled it down just to show y'all how it looks. And cut, make you a pie of it. So anyway, I'm gonna put a little description of the recipe on the bottom. Like I said, I'm just dedicating the next few videos in memory of my buddy Daddy Jack, Chef Jack Chaplin, he would make pies like this, just spontaneous, just throwing stuff together and come out with a pie. He didn't tell you no measurements or nothing, he just did it. And that's awesome the way he cooked. But anyway, another Friday night pie in the books. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share, please comment. Please subscribe. Please follow my other social media account: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, remember the hashtag also, 2021, help somebody, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And remember my buddy Daddy Jack, like he always say, peace.